This is my fast food lazy meal. Frozen, lots of frozen vegetables. I've got everything stored in the freezer so that I can do things like this whenever I want. Lots of colours. So here it is: onions, peppers, mushrooms, peas, carrots, broccoli, cauliflower. I think that's it. All in the pan. Into that, just some tomato passata. Cheap and cheerful. This is going to be a yummy vegetable and lentil curry. That's going to cook slowly. The vegetables are going to defrost in the pan. A little bit of garlic powder. This is proper simple stuff. Just cupboard ingredients and freezer ingredients. Add in some curry powder to taste, how much you like. You can put some chili flakes in. I love a spicy meal, so let's add in some chili flakes. Pour in some lentils. These are really good source of protein, healthy, cheap, and just so nutritious. So all the veg has defrosted in the sauce. The lentils are cooking, and I would normally use spinach, but I've run out of spinach, and I have some cabbage left over in the fridge, so I'm bunging that in. You can literally just choose whatever you want. Whatever leftover veg you've got, stick it in. Coconut milk. Give it a creamy taste. And some more juices to make the lentils, they need to soak up the water. Well, not water, the juice. Oh, this is smelling so lovely. It is going to be yum. My friends are going to love me when I bring this round to them today. Finally, fresh coriander. That is so good. Just call me Delia.